1.3.
1.3?
1.3.
That doesn't even make sense.
No, it doesn't.
What is going on with this ground?
I can't tell you. That's what it is.
That's not good.
That's not going to get us to our goal. Something's not.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. If it was gold mining, I'd have been on the Hoffman crew season 1 because it didn't go too good. I had big plans, big ideas. You remember what I said? $1,500 times $6 is $9,000 worth of peas. Does that look like $9,000 worth of peas back there? Yeah, I was overthinking it a little bit. I mean, it seemed possible, but maybe not. Now, there's 5 major things that I done wrong that I'm gonna correct next year, and I'm gonna grow purple hull peas. I'm gonna hit my goal. Okay, here's row number 1. A little too peaked. Row number 2, a little too wide. Row number 3, I think I'm gonna go with that. I might could move it in 1 inch and just close that top. Now I had 3 choices to choose from, and I went with the 3rd choice when I should have went with the 2nd choice and made the top of my row wider due to the fact that my drip tape kept falling off. Cable kink, or drip tape kink. I mean, that water is not getting nowhere around my plant. My second mistake was my rows were too wide. I had to till between them rows. I had to go 4 and 5 trips back and forth to cultivate the grass from growing in between them. That was a lot of work, a lot of unnecessary work. So next year, I'm gonna narrow them. I'm gonna narrow them 4 feet, maybe 3 feet, but between 3 and 4 feet wide. And that'll give me just enough room to run through there one time with my tiller or my cultivator and take out all the grass without going back and forth. That'll tighten up my rows, give me more rows, give me more peas, less grass. Mistake number 3, electric fence wasn't high enough. Deer jumped the fence. Ate all my purple hull peas. Ate them while they was still green. Deer tracks. Deer tracks. They done jumped my hot wire fence. Let me find, look right here. Walked right down the row, deer tracks, right down that row. Look, no bean, no bean, no beans. There's one bean, no bean, no bean. They have just wiped, look, no beans, just a bunch of sprigs. They hit me hard. Look at the tracks. Oh my Lord. Then he moved over to this side, started wiping these out. No beans, no beans, no beans. Luckily, I still got a lot of blooms. I come back, put a 3D fence. The deer jumped the first hot wire, landed in the second hot wire, drug it across the garden, and then started eating peas. Maybe his buddies came in after he knocked it down. They knocked out some more peas. So I come back and added 2 more feet to the top of my hot wire. 6'6" high all the way around. It's hot. Now here's the thing. To hit your maximum productivity, you can't leave. These peas are coming ready every day almost. Every day and a half we have to, as long as we can go is a day and a half, maybe 2. But if you leave, them peas go from green to purple to seeds. They're dried up. The only thing you use it for is seeds. I got 5 pounds of seeds in there from dried up peas. When I had to leave for 3 days, I come back and there's a good 100 pounds. 100 pounds of unshelled, I'd say, sitting on the vine, done turned brown, turned to seed, which I'm gonna use them for seed, but still, that's money lost. I mean, I'd rather just buy seeds. They're not that expensive. But show up the first day and keep picking till the end. You can't leave. We have hit peak hardcore picking, shelling, selling mode. These peas are turning every day. The only thing is, it's like 110 degrees. We're burning up from the heat, bent over picking peas, back hurting, running up there, shelling them, selling them. It's really not a problem, shelling them, selling them. It's the picking them where the problem comes in. We're picking them, she's shelling, I'm shelling, they're selling. Every day these peas have to be picked. They're turning purple every day. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. We decided to change it up and pick in the morning. So we got here at daylight and I'm still covered in sweat head to toe. But we picked 70, almost 75 pounds of shelled purple hull peas. The lady done come picked up 20. We got them back there in front of the fan drying. So people supposed to get some of them this evening. But my wife's burning out on me. So I don't know what to do, but there's still three times that much, maybe 3 or 4 more pickings of that much. Man, they're still growing. I mean, we're still getting blooms and getting young peas on them. So I don't know. How long can this go on? So next year, if I'm gonna amp up on my productivity, I'm gonna have to amp up on some help. I'm gonna have to hire me what I need, a couple of schoolboys want to make a little extra money that can get up early in the morning or show up late in the evening and give me 2 or 3 hours a day picking peas. And that sure wouldn't make it a whole lot easier. All right, so what you want to know is, Joe, how many peas did you sell? How much money did you make? Well, I'm finna walk you up there to the shop and I'm gonna show you because I kept accurate records of exactly what I sold and exactly what I got paid. And I'm gonna show you how much I did. So let's go. I keep it up here on top of the refrigerator. Find a place to lay it out right here. All right. All these are peas. The pounds, the money. Okay, we ate 2 pounds right off the bat. All right, so we don't count them. We'll count the pounds, but we don't put no money on it. It's just actually money made. So you can see peas, you know, 20 pounds, 2 pounds. I mean, just all over the charts for what they want. Shelled, unshelled. Then we got down here, and I just keep it with the shelled amount. Right here, we hit 77.5 pounds shelled, $450. Then we keep on going down. Unshelled, unshelled, and then I had to start a new sheet. So over here, and this is what we did. Shelled, shelled, unshelled, unshelled. We got to 210 pounds, $1,145, and we still picking. And then we get down here, 252 pounds as of yesterday, 252 pounds shelled, $1,400 pretty much on the nose. And other vegetables, we have sold, I don't have an exact tally on that, 422 plus that, probably 422 plus 233 right there, 400, 500, 600, probably about $700 of other vegetables. So 1,400 and roughly 700 is $2,100. That's far off from my $9,000 budget. But looky here. We still picking peas. I picked 5, 10, 15, 20. Right at 25 pounds today. Now them jokers are still growing. Now I don't know how much longer I'm gonna last. They're not growing like they was. We was getting 80 pounds. Now I'm getting like 40 to 50 pounds every couple of days. I'm not for sure how long that'll go on. Probably, it may go on till wintertime. I don't know. But let me show you my little side hustle, my little new thing I'm gonna try. Now what I did, look at that big pumpkin. What I did about a month or so ago, I got some cream peas. And there's my purple hull. There's my purple hull. I went right down the middle of the purple hull, putting in cream peas. I got 4 rows, 450 foot rows, 600 feet of cream peas put in. All right, and they're about to turn. I'm getting blooms. Look, there's a little bloom right there. There's 2 cream peas sticking off the end of it. As a matter of fact, I'll have peas in another couple of weeks. I guarantee you. Now, how do cream peas sell? How good do they sell? Probably not like purple hulls. I don't know. But you know, you got to step out there and just try. Try this, try that, try the other. Keep trying till you get it right. And also, look at here. You see all that? That's purple hull. That's purple hull. You see all that in the middle? Well, all the purple hulls that went bad, we took them and I just threw them in the middle of that row, shell and all. And then I took the tiller and ran down through it. And look how thick they are. That's all purple hull plants coming up. I'll get some off of them for a winter hits. I got another row right here. That's all purple hulls. So if these keep producing and the new ones start producing, I mean, like I said, the fat lady ain't saying yet. She might just have to back up and sit down for a minute, because as long as I can hold and hang out, I'm gonna still be picking till fall, till the first frost. I'll be picking purple hulls, and I'll be picking cream peas. And let me show you this. One more thing. Let me show you. 10 60-foot rows of green beans. Drip tape, ready to go. So stay tuned, because there's still a lot to come. I ain't done yet. I'm gonna hit it till the first frost comes, if my wife lets me, if she don't throw a fit and I had to quit. But we're gonna get more purple hull peas, we're gonna get cream peas, and we're gonna get green beans, as long as there's not an early frost. As long as the frost comes a little bit later in October, we'll be good. So it ain't done yet. I mean, I might hit that 9,000 come October, huh?